Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate ResyMatch with LinkedIn resumes, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the ResyMatch website. Once on the home page, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to access your profile. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up option. Fill in the required information to create your new account. After logging in or creating your account, go to the dashboard. From the dashboard, find the LinkedIn Import option. Click on the LinkedIn Import button to initiate the authentication process. You will be redirected to a LinkedIn login page. Enter your LinkedIn email address and password to log in. If prompted, grant ResyMatch permission to access your LinkedIn profile. Once permissions are granted, you will be redirected back to ResyMatch. Your LinkedIn resume data will now be imported into your ResyMatch profile. Review the imported information to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed to customize your resume as needed. Finally, save any changes you've made to your profile. You have now successfully authenticated ResyMatch with your LinkedIn resume. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.